Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the HP Pavilion x360 14-inch laptop. A sleek and versatile machine that promises to deliver both style and substance. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone in need of a reliable laptop for everyday tasks, this 2024 model has something to offer. So, let's dive in and see what makes this device stand out. The first thing you'll notice about the HP Pavilion x360 is its modern and stylish design. The 14-inch Full HD touchscreen is framed by slim bezels, giving you more screen real estate in a compact form factor. The metallic finish not only adds a premium feel but also ensures durability. And with the 360-degree hinge, you can easily switch between laptop, tablet, and tent modes, making it perfect for both work and play. Now, let's talk about the display. The HP Pavilion x360 features a 14-inch Full HD touchscreen that delivers crisp and vibrant visuals. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, editing photos, or working on a presentation, the display provides a rich and immersive experience. And for those who love touch-based interactions, the responsive touchscreen makes navigation a breeze. When it comes to audio, the Pavilion x360 doesn't disappoint. Equipped with dual speakers tuned by B&O, the laptop delivers clear and powerful sound. Whether you're watching a movie or listening to music, the audio experience is further enhanced by HP's Audio Boost technology, which provides deeper bass and richer sound quality. Under the hood, the HP Pavilion x360 is powered by the 13th generation Intel Core i3-1315U processor, paired with 8 GB of RAM and a 256 GB SSD. This combination ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks like web browsing, word processing, and light multitasking. The Intel UHD Graphics card is capable of handling casual gaming and video streaming with ease. Whether you're working on a report, streaming a video, or managing multiple tabs, the Pavilion x360 handles it all with minimal lag. The 256 GB SSD not only provides ample storage but also ensures fast boot times and quick access to your files. Battery life is another area where the HP Pavilion x360 shines, with up to 8 hours of battery life on a single charge. This laptop is designed to keep up with your busy day. Whether you're in a meeting, working from a cafe, or catching up on some Netflix, you won't have to worry about running out of power. In terms of connectivity, the Pavilion x360 offers a wide range of options. It includes multiple USB ports, an HDMI port for connecting to external displays, and a headphone jack. Plus, with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, you can enjoy faster and more reliable wireless connections. The HP Pavilion x360 comes with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, offering a fresh and user-friendly experience. With features like snap layouts, virtual desktops, and Microsoft Teams integration, Windows 11 makes multitasking easier and more intuitive. For those who like to take notes or sketch, the Pavilion x360's touchscreen is fully compatible with the HP Pen, making it an excellent choice for creatives and students alike. The laptop also includes HP's suite of security features, such as a fingerprint reader and Windows Hello, ensuring your data stays secure. Overall, the HP Pavilion x360 14-inch laptop offers a compelling mix of design, performance, and versatility, all at an affordable price. Whether you're looking for a laptop for work, school, or entertainment, this 2024 model is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching our review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and Subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.